So what is going on, Mr. Olsen? Why aren't you posting any videos? That's a comment that I saw the other day. And yeah, I have been lagging a little bit behind posting videos on the channel. And this is not because I have given up on the whole YouTube project, but it's just because I have introduced some different priorities in my business. I had a very hard time make a full-time living of YouTube. And during the fall it got really bad because I got kind of failed to land a few deals that I was expecting coming in. So I had a really hard time making everything work. And those of you that have been following my Danish channel, they would have seen some of the updates that I put out there, and I was actually not in a very good mood. And I was almost at the state where I was throwing in the towel and saying, okay, I have to go out and get a job. But under these updates, there was a lot of people saying, you can't really make a living out of what you want, and you need to go and take a part-time job and all that stuff. And that got me even more motivated to find a solution, because this is not what I want to do. I want to do the drone thing and I want to do the teaching. So I made a really big turnaround over Christmas with changing my way of conducting business. And I've started to focus more on my native tongue. So I've been introducing a teaching program that is taught in Danish, where I work one-on-one with people that want to learn to fly a drone and want to make a passive income. And I'm basically just teaching them what I've been doing the many years that I've been working as an IT project manager, where I was making, I don't know, $500 to $800 on the side, using my drone to do various jobs for say real estate agents, selling for production companies, stock footage, stuff like that. So I'm basically just converting that into a learning experience, so people can start working with me and picking up those skills. And I've decided to do it in Danish because I actually realized that there's not that much material that's made in Danish that cater for people that have a really hard time understanding English and don't want to spend the time on trying to understand all the English content that's out there. There's plenty of stuff out there in English that you can dig into. But I tailor a journey for people that want to start, basically new people that are just picking up a drone. So I tailor a journey for them in 4 to 6 weeks, where I teach them everything about flying the drone safe within the local laws. I'm teaching them different flying techniques to capture some really stunning stuff. I'm teaching them how to edit video in a way so they can actually make something that's presentable to people that want to purchase it. And also we are digging into all the more advanced stuff on the drones, all the advanced features that is available. And finally, there's a business section where we dig more into how to set up a business, how to actually make promotion of your material without being like a tedious salesman. There's different techniques that can be used for that, so you can sort of get your message across without being what is it called? It's like a salesperson. Nobody really likes to get sold to, so you need to sort of rephrase it in a different way to get your message across. And finally, you get a diploma. You get a very nice diploma in the end that sort of documents that you have been through the journey with my sort of school. The course is called Drone Like a Pro. So I'm reusing the name from the old First Drone Academy, and because I think it's a really cool name, and I have the .com address, so so I'm going to use that. And as a conclusion of some of it's actually working, and the reason why I'm doing it over an extended period of time, 4 to 6 weeks, it's not because you're going to work with me all the time directly in 4 to 6 weeks. That would maybe be a little bit too much. But it's because I've learned teaching in person that you can basically overload people with information. And this happened a few times during the fall, where I had people that had asked me to tailor a program for them, to teach them all the stuff that they need to know in one single day, and that was simply too much. There's too much information and they're not getting the full benefit out of this. So I decided to take the elephant and chop it up into smaller pieces, and then make it more digestible, and giving people a chance to sort of do a little bit at a time. And so far that's working brilliantly. I've closed it right now. I'm not taking in any more students. I've sold out completely. On top of that, I'm starting to get hired into teaching companies how to apply drone technology. Like a single day, I had like 10 people that I was teaching last Thursday in the northern part of Denmark. I was teaching those from basically pure beginners until they were capable of capturing both photos and videos and convert it into something that they could use in their business. So I'm super happy, but of course the sacrifice is a little bit on the content on the Tech Drone Media channel as I'm doing this right now. I have a lot of stuff that I need to get into place to make a full delivery, and stuff that I can improve in sort of the journey that I need to look into and prioritize right now. So the amount of videos that will be on the Tech Drone Media channel, that would be limited over the next period of time. But I'm still here, and I will still produce content, and I will also cover new drones that will be coming out from DJI, as long as they decide to send them to me. So that was just an update from me to you, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you did like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.